In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the AI videos I made and how to create yours towards the end of the video. So kindly sit tight and watch till the end.
Believe in yourself and trust in God as you navigate your path forward. No matter how difficult things may seem, stay strong and do not give up.
That was me, my AI self. Can you see how beautiful I am? Even as you're looking at me right now, am I not beautiful? So let's just get straight into what I'm trying to explain in that video is that the rule of the game is you can't use someone else's photo unless you will take permission from that person. So for you to be safe, why not go through your photo gallery? Just take your favorite, one of your favorite photo you love, and what generates your AI self. Okay, you can use any tool to generate your AI self. I use ChatGTP to generate my photos. Okay, and that is one of the photos I generated. After using ChatGTP to generate my photo, my AI self, I go ahead and use what do I use? I use various platforms to create my AI videos, especially the free ones. Okay, so if you are one of those persons that you have been asking which free platform am I going to use, okay, to create my AI videos, that's why you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so the thing is, to be safe, why not use your photo? Okay, I'm not saying that you are not free to use other photos or to create your AI videos, but to be safe, use your photo. Use ChatGPT to create your AI self. All right, it will even help you to be more creative, and then go ahead and use any platform you know that is free, okay, to create your AI videos. And for those that have actually subscribed, because I know so many of you have subscribed, and I know so many AI creators are watching me right now that have subscribed to one platform or the other. I'm not saying subscription is not a good thing. In fact, when you subscribe, you have more features, okay? But we have so many creators looking for free AI tool, okay, they can use to make their videos. So that's why I'm here. I am actually using a free one, and again, I am also using subscribed one, okay? So but this video, for the purpose of this video, free. All right, free. You can use it for free, and the platform is on this YouTube. It's not even something that you just need to go and download again. So that's why you need to watch this video today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go. Let me show you how to do it. First and foremost, what you need to do is to come to your YouTube app. This is my YouTube app. Then you click on your profile picture. Then you click on this, see this plus sign. You click on this plus sign, and this is what you see. You see this logo here. All right, this logo here, that's where you are going to click on. Then you see we're already in the AI playground. So we have create video here. We have the second one is photo to video. We have create music. There are two ways to it. It's either you click on this create video or photo to video. So let me show you how to do the first one, create video. So click on it. See what they wrote? They only use photos of others with their permission. So they even brought some ideas for you, but they still say describe your idea. So you describe your idea. What kind of video do you want to make? You understand? So after describing your idea here, then you can add image. Click on add image. When you click on add image, it's going to take you to your photo gallery. Then you select your image that you would love to use for the AI video. Then when you are done selecting, then you click on this send, and they are going to create the AI video for you. So the second way to create video again is this photo to video, this one right here. So you click on photo to video. Can you see it has taken me straight to my gallery? So let me use one of the recent AI image of my own, the one I created. You see this one, this was the original one, so I used ChatGPT to create this one. So let me click on this, and then they are trying to bring ideas for me. It's either you use their own idea, but you know the reason why you are creating the video, so it's best for you to use your own idea. So they said this place, they said try bring your photo to life. Okay, let's read the idea. It says subject dons a pair of oversized vibrant vintage style spectacles. Subject smile and says, let us build something great today. Assume if you are going to use the second idea like this now, if you click on it and click on this icon, they are going to create it for you. Exactly what this image is going to say is, let us build something great today. So that is just the idea they built for you, but you can use your own idea. So try this place that is written, try to bring your photo to life. You click on it, then you say whatever you want. You need the video, okay? You say bring your own idea, just write your own idea. When you write the idea, you click on this place. So why I'm unable to create my own here is because I've made use of my free version. So if you are someone out there that have not made use of this YouTube AI before at all, so you are free to create your own. Do you understand? Will you start to create your free AI videos today? Let me know in the comments. Do well to like this video, subscribe to Jesus Bright channel for more content like this, and do well to share this video to your loved ones and friends. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.